Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your Planet Home Lending account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type planethomelending.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Planet Home Lending. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided, but for now, we only want to log in. At the top right corner of this screen, that is the nav bar, you will find something called as Account Login. Simply hover over it and click on it. Now it's gonna redirect you to this login page. Simply enter your username and password, that are your credentials. In case you forgot any one of them, here are the buttons right here that say Forgot Username and Forgot Password. Click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Now let's simply enter our credentials. Now that everything is okay, simply click on this I agree button and log in. And that's how we log in to your Planet Home Lending. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to Planet Home Lending. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.